Hey guys, in this video we will be making stuff big, like creatures and stuff, using the new bomb broccoli. Let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, the bag, we're just going to fill this up with stuff first. Okay. Take you off the key. Okay, there we are. Okay, the first thing we're probably going to do is going to be ogre. Okay, let's go kill ogre. Meow. I'm not quiet. Comment down below for now. I'm making this so crunch. Okay, let's pull out broccoli. I'll do chicken second there last. Did I make him bigger? I make the chicken bigger, did I make him? So I think it did. Yeah, he's way taller. Okay, I got a double. Although I've already used it. But yeah. He's so small now. Okay, next we're gonna go get this spider, because that'll be interesting. I wonder if I can get the spider and Armstrong. Probably gonna try to get Armstrong as well. Okay, I'm over there. I'm over those cringe. Right? I feel like I'm cringe saying that. Oh crap, it's good. Look how big it is. It's not that big because I'm small, but... I think it's good. Guys, they're back though. I don't know. Okay, let's go find Armstrong. He would be very interesting. Or Mimic. Would be interesting. Yes, right there. No, they're giant. They're bigger than the lightsaber, the Fade meme. Damn. Get out. Guys, please sub. I'm trying to get a bit famous. Ooh, angler. Let's see about you, little monkey. No. Too far. Not that far. Damn it. And my volume's quite bad. Okay. For my last one, I think. How much do I have? 2. Okay, Mimic. Whoa, it's kind of big. Oh, it isn't really nice. Oh, I'm gonna make it to lava because I want to see them. I wonder if they're like, you know the iron lava map? I wonder if I can make it big. Let's go there. Down, across, go down, not cross, kind of cross. I don't know how long this video is. It has to be under 15 minutes, so I gotta go. You know, I kind of tell. Oh, it's that. Like, if I'm in the dark over here, oh yeah, it's like neon. It's really cool. Like, I know it's like very well luckily, but I've never done it. Yeah, we're put in the dark. Okay. Guys, this is gonna be the last one. This maybe a short video. I don't really know. Like a few more things, but like being late. But this is gonna be one of the last ones. There may be a part 2. No, don't get me. No. Yep. Don't know how long this video's been, but yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. There'll probably be a part 2. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.